Kakavula, 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 esamasiko, esesintu.
Hello everybody, this is Kokobula once again. Hope this article, this video finds you well in these trying times and testing times of corona pandemic. This time around we are on the topic Isichitho Ibhakumba, the curse spell of Ibhakumba, the home destroyer, the family destroyer. Isichitho differ in their types and attack outcome, though some are similar in attacks. One has to understand that Isichitho, breakup and the curse spells come in many different forms and also differ in their forms of attack, and they serve a similar purpose but totally different attack outcomes altogether. They are designed to specifically work on a different mission altogether. How Isichitho breakup spells normally differ? Yes, Isichitho breakup spells differ. One is designed to attack lovers, the other people at work, and the other one to attack families. But this particular one, Ibhakumba, is the most hardest and harshest one, and the most dangerous one because it goes with ingozi, dangers, and a possible death. One can kill someone with a minor conflict or disagreement. Isichitho Ibhakumba. Isichitho Ibhakumba affects most families. Many siblings end up not talking with one another and fighting each other like bulls because of this kind of Isichitho. If an evil person sets it and plants it in your homestead or direct the attack to your family, the family will experience unbearable family feuds. You find a household engaging in daily physical fights because there is Isichitho of Ibhakumba. Isichitho of Ibhakumba feeds on terrors and dangers. It wants somebody permanently hurt. Ibhakumba is a bit similar to ingozi yokufa. The only difference is that it is not for a revenge, but Isichitho, to break up by causing harm, danger, or terror to one family member or loved one by the other. They attack each other because Isichitho Ibhakumba has been cast onto them. One is made to be attacked by and hurt by people of his own. In this family, there will be noise, misunderstanding, conflicts, and physical fights with possible bodily harm. Does Isichitho Ibhakumba affect couples? Does Isichitho Ibhakumba affect couples? Yes, Isichitho Ibhakumba affects couples. When the couples are not home, where it is planted, they have peace. But when they get home, they fight to the nail. We often hear stories of women burning their husbands with boiling water, cooking oil, porridge, and so on, and later go on to regret it, with the wife claiming that they did not know what they were doing. You hear stories of men hurting, harming, and even sometimes go on to kill them, but come back to their senses and start regretting their actions after the damage has been done, claiming that they had no idea of what happened. This kind of Isichitho Ibhakumba seeks to cause havoc. It's me, your great traditional healer, Kokobula, on the other teaching on Isichitho Ibhakumba. Please like, subscribe, share, make comments on this video. Your other people need this teaching. I thank you.